back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog from a very messy house, and of course I am looking very messy too. Please ignore my very swollen round face. I got one of my tooth extracted, and I also am taking a lot of medicines, so yeah, my face is looking very puffy. Anyways, in my last video I told you guys that I am shifting to a new place, and that is happening tomorrow. So tomorrow is Friday, we are shifting tomorrow, and then over the weekends I think we will set everything up in the new house. So I have started working a bit today. So we got a few boxes from our packers and movers in advance, and so I have packed a few boxes with some of the clothes and everything, and I have also labeled them up. And now I'm packing this box which has all my books. This is like my very prized possession, and I'm very skeptical about it. I am packing everything very safely and neatly. And then I have also brought out everything from my kitchen, and I think tomorrow they will just bubble wrap all the glasswares, and then all the other things will be packed separately. So yeah, and most of our furnitures are disassembled also in the room, like everything is disassembled, and yeah, that's how it looks right now. So I'm not going to stay up till late tonight because tomorrow is going to be a very long and hectic day, and I need some good sleep before that. But before wrapping things up, I think I will pack one bag and pack everything that I'm going to need in the next 3 or 4 days, like packing for a trip, so that I don't need to open all the boxes immediately. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. By the way, today in the afternoon, I went to the apartment to get a few things done, and I did an empty apartment tour. So while I do all these things, you can go and have a look at that. Hi guys, I am vlogging from the new place. So I have come today, it's the day before the shift happens, and I need to get some plumbing work done, and also the electrician will come. So I thought I will also show you around and give you an empty apartment tour, because I will take a lot of time to do the entire place and give you a total house tour. But yeah, I just thought I will show you how the empty house looks. So here it is. Okay, so as soon as you enter through the main entrance, this is how the living space looks like. There's a huge window that opens up, and the living area continues like these. It's pretty big actually, and that space right over there is the dining area with the kitchen in front of it. I'm taking you there in a bit. And these 3 are the rooms. So all the 3 rooms are one beside the other. Let me quickly take you to the main room. Here it is. It's a pretty big room. There's a wardrobe right over there, and then there's an attached toilet, and basically the first bedroom and the next room are interconnected. Like, you can also enter them separately, but you can also treat them together like this. So this is the second room. It has a big window, and yeah, this is just that room. And this is the third room. I think I will transform this into my office space. So there's a bathroom, and then as you enter, this is the room. And there's also another wardrobe right over here. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Now moving on, again, as you enter the living space, here is the dining area, and here's the kitchen. So it's basically an open kitchen kind of space. There's like total modular setup. So yeah, and now to the main attraction. So right in front of the kitchen, there's a terrace. Let me show you. So this is a private terrace. Like, this house does not have a balcony, but this entire terrace belongs to us. Like, the flat owner can use this terrace as a personal space. So yeah, I'm very excited. Like, I can access this terrace without even taking the stairs. I can come here whenever I want to. I think I will plant a lot of beautiful plants over here. I can sit over here. I can exercise in the winter. I can sit and work. So yeah, and yeah, I can do a lot of photo shoots because it gets a lot of amazing sunlight. So yeah, overall it's a very exciting place to have. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the entire place. I'm very happy that it gets a lot of sunlight. Like, I am a sucker for sunlight. I love sunlight. I think I have mentioned this in all my previous videos, and yeah, I'm very happy. I wish to film a lot of amazing videos over here, but now I will have to quickly get back to work. See you soon. Bye. So the packers and movers arrived at around 9:30 on the day of the shifting, and they started doing their work. I was amazed to see their work. Like, they were working so quickly, but at the same time they were very neat and very precise. They wrapped up all my glasswares and fragile items separately, and none of my stuffs are broken. Like, honestly, I am so impressed. So we booked Agarwal Packers. I think they have branches all over India. If you are planning to change your house, or if you are planning to move from one state to another, you can definitely consider their service. Also, during the afternoon, I had to come to the new place to take a few deliveries, and I decided to water a few plants that are there in the terrace. I am planning to buy a lot of new plants too, but I definitely want these plants to stay alive. So yeah, I watered them. So finally all the stuffs were packed up and the loading happened. I think at around 6:30. It was pretty dark by then, but our new place is very near to the old place. So we reached there in 10 minutes, and then the packers and movers started unloading everything. And I went to the terrace for a while. So yeah, this is how the place looked like. It was totally messy, but everything was done by 9:30. And I also asked my cook to make some dinner in the morning only, because we did not want to order outside food. We wanted home cooked comfort food. So yeah, that was ready. And finally by 9:30 everything was unloaded. The guys left, and these are all the boxes that we had. Sadly, we could not spend the night over here because our bed was not assembled, and we wanted to sleep a little peacefully. And we went to a guest house for the night. And yeah, I am so excited to start decorating this place and transform this house to a home. I cannot wait to share everything with you guys. I hope you liked this video. Please do let me know what you think. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hi, Bola.